Okay, ladies, let's be real. We've all seen 100 videos on how to smell good all day or feminine hygiene tips, right? But today, we're not doing the usual shower and deodorant talk. Nope. We're going into the hygiene habits that nobody talks about, but absolutely should. Because sometimes it's not about smelling like vanilla cupcakes. It's about staying fresh, healthy, and confident in ways no one taught us growing up. So grab your water bottle, sit tight, and let's normalize some real girl talk. The hidden truth about towels. Let's start with something simple. Your towel. How often do you change yours? Be honest. If your answer is, like once a week, girl, that towel has seen things. Our bath towels collect dead skin, moisture, and bacteria, and if you're hanging it in a damp bathroom, congratulations. You've basically made a bacteria Airbnb. The ideal? Change your towel every 3 to 4 days and let it fully dry between uses. And yes, that includes your face towel. Especially if you get acne, that small habit can literally change your skin game. Clean towel equals clean skin. Simple as that. The under boob and behind the knees zone. Next, we're going under the radar, or rather, under the boobs. These areas behind the knees, armpits, inner thighs trap sweat and oil easily. And since we don't talk about it enough, let's say it, they can smell. After your shower, don't just dry off and go. Use a light unscented body powder or a bit of cornstarch in those areas to stay dry and prevent rashes. And if you work out, always change out of sweaty clothes ASAP. Keeping that moisture sitting on your skin is an open invite for yeast and irritation. Basically, treat your underboobs like VIPs, they deserve that post-shower attention too. The hairbrush situation. Okay? This one is so overlooked. When's the last time you actually cleaned your hairbrush? If your brush looks like it could grow a new head of hair by itself, that's your sign. Hairbrushes hold onto oil, dust, product buildup, and even dead skin cells. Then we brush that right back into clean hair. So if you've ever wondered why your hair feels greasy right after washing, it might be your brush. Quick fix. Once a week, remove the hair, soak your brush in warm water with a bit of shampoo, scrub with an old toothbrush, and let it dry overnight. Boom! Instant freshness. Your hair deserves a clean brush, not one that's been through emotional damage. The tongue is the secret to fresh breath. Let's talk about the one part of oral hygiene that everyone skips, your tongue. You can brush, floss, and rinse all you want, but if you're not cleaning your tongue, bacteria is still having a party in your mouth. That white coating on your tongue, that's what causes morning breath. Get yourself a tongue scraper. They're cheap and so satisfying to use. Scrape gently from back to front, rinse, and you'll notice your breath stays fresh way longer. Trust me, your crush will thank you later. Sleepwear secrets. All right, time for some bedtime honesty. How often are you changing your pajamas? If your answer is every few days, that's actually okay, unless you sleep without showering first or sweat a lot. But your underwear and bed sheets? Those need more love. Pajamas can hold onto body oils, sweat, and bacteria, especially around the groin and underarms. So try switching them out every 2 to 3 nights and washing your sheets weekly. Also, if you sleep commando, aka no underwear, make sure your sheets are definitely clean. Your skin needs to breathe, but not with last week's sweat. Period hygiene. Nobody mentions. We all know about changing pads or tampons regularly, but here's the stuff no one told us growing up. Tip number 1, always wash your hands before and after changing. Not just after, before too. Tip number 2, if you're using reusable menstrual cups or period underwear, sanitize them properly every cycle. Tip number 3, avoid scented wipes or soaps down there. They can mess with your pH and cause itching. And please, don't feel embarrassed. Period hygiene is not gross, it's just part of being human. The more we talk about it, the less shame there'll be. The ear and behind the ear spot. Another forgotten area behind your ears. That spot can collect oil, sweat, and even shampoo residue. It's like the silent corner of your hygiene routine. So when washing your face or showering, gently scrub behind your ears too, because smelling nice should include every side of your head. Nail hygiene beyond just painting them. Let's move on to nails. And no, not just the pretty part. Under your nails can trap so much dirt and bacteria. especially if you have long ones. Always clean under them while washing your hands and before eating. Also, disinfect your nail tools, clippers, nail pushers, all of it. If you share them with others, that can spread fungi or bacteria. Bonus tip, when painting your nails, give them a few days break every couple of weeks. Your nails need to breathe too. Healthy nails over chipped polish any day. The phone hygiene nobody thinks of. This one might gross you out. Your phone is literally dirtier than a toilet seat. You touch it all day, then press it against your face. So if you're breaking out on one cheek only, check your phone habits. Quick fix. Wipe your phone daily with an alcohol wipe or disinfecting cloth. Because no skincare routine can save you if your phone's the villain. The wash your hands before skincare rule. This is one of the most underrated habits ever. We wash our faces but forget to wash our hands before touching our skincare. Think about it. We scroll, type, snack, and then dip our fingers into moisturizer jars. Yikes! Always wash your hands before skincare and use clean tools or spatulas when possible. You're not feeding your skin bacteria, you're feeding it glow, okay? Deodorant on dry skin. And at night. Did you know deodorant works better when applied at night? Most of us do it in the morning, but applying before bed gives the product time to block sweat glands while you sleep, which means less sweat the next day. And make sure your skin is completely dry when you apply. Moisture can make it less effective and cause irritation. So yeah, deodorant before bed. Weird, but game-changing? The pillowcase problem. Your pillowcase might be the silent reason for acne or oily hair. It absorbs oil, sweat, and hair products nightly. Change it every 3 to 4 days, especially if you have sensitive skin or acne-prone areas. You can even flip it mid-week to get more use out of it. Lazy girl trick approved, because skincare doesn't stop at your face, it includes your pillow too. Feminine wash reality check. Okay, let's clear up a big myth. You do not need a special feminine wash for your private area. The vagina cleans itself. All it needs is gentle washing around the area with water or a mild, unscented soap. Avoid strong fragrances or flower-scented washes. They mess with your pH and can lead to infections. Simple is safe. Nature already designed it perfectly. We just need to take care of it. Don't forget your scalp. Another hygiene habit we skip, scalp care. Even if you wash your hair, buildup from shampoo, sweat, and oil can clog your scalp and cause flakes or odor. Once a week, use a scalp scrub or clarifying shampoo to reset everything. It's like exfoliating your face, but for your head. Hygiene beyond the shower. Lastly, let's talk mindset. Good hygiene isn't just about smelling good, it's about feeling good. It's brushing your hair before bed, changing your sheets, hydrating your body, and giving yourself small moments of care. Even something as simple as trimming your nails or wiping your phone can boost your confidence. You don't need to spend thousands on fancy products. Just pay attention to the small details, because being clean, fresh, and confident is a form of self-love. So, that's it. 15 hygiene habits nobody talks about, but totally should.